let's go look at iOS 8.2. So the only difference the iPads have with the iPhones and or iPod Touch 5th generation is there isn't a little app that you get on the iPhone. It's called Apple Watch. So if we search Apple Watch, the App Store comes up, but there is no Apple Watch except for like the Apple and all that good stuff. So here's really what it looks like on the iPhone. Alright, so here's what it's going to look like on your home screen. But if you go inside the app, we're going to get these new little icons, things that say like start pairing and all that good stuff. Next page, we got some videos that they're wanting to show us, so you can check out all that neat stuff. And finally, there's one on the bottom, and then it's going to bring you to like a very last page, which is going to say App Store, and it's going to show the Apple Watch, which is kind of cool, but let's still try to look through more iOS 8. Alright guys, so here are the main improvements of iOS 8.2. You can see there is a good amount, most of them being under bug fixes. Looks like it's something about maps and all that cool stuff. So here we have the Apple Watch support. So it will support the Apple Watch. I'm pretty sure the pre-orders, guys, come April 10th. So there is quite a while, but that's still okay. There is some health app improvements. So it adds the ability to select the unit of measurement of distance by temperature, height, and blood glucose. Okay, that's interesting. But there is some advances in the health app, as well as some stability with the mail, maps, music, reliability, and hearing aids, which is kind of cool. There's iPhone hearing aids. I never knew that. That's really neat, actually. And map, there is a bunch of new stuff, including the new kind of thing that I'm going to be showing you guys, which is really, really neat. So, let's check this new stuff out. Alright guys, so on the maps, you're going to notice there is some cool features that they have. They now have little buildings that you can like kind of view and all that neat stuff. So it looks like it's a little more accurate. It gives like some areas right here, which is kind of really cool actually. I really like that feature. So basically this is like a real feature that they added to the maps, which I think is really neat. Instead of just having this ordinary structure, they actually have buildings now where there actually is stuff. So really neat there. And now guys, we're going to be checking out the health app. I do not use this, but it looks like it does track my steps. So I'm looking at 1,244 steps today. I guess that's neat. I've walked/run 5.07 miles. So let's see if we can figure out how to change this. Alright, so we're checking it out. Showing dashboard. Not exactly sure how to do this. This is how you can tell that I have not used the health app. But I'm sure there is ways you can change it. How about here we go. Body measurements. So you can go to weight, and you can go show on dashboard, all that cool stuff. So there are some improvements with the health app. I'm not sure what there was before, but I'm sure you people who like to run and record your stuff on your iPhone, this is what you're going to be looking for in this new update. So that's all great. So guys, that is pretty much all of the new things of iOS 8. There is one more thing that you guys probably know of already. If you go into settings